Today we are going to learn about duodenum, its parts. In later video I will discuss about each parts, its relation and all. So here now I am discussing only about the parts and its location. First we have to draw the vertebrae. We know that the duodenum extends from the L1 to the L3 vertebrae. What is duodenum? Duodenum is the first, shortest and widest and the most fixed part of the small intestine. So I am drawing the three vertebrae. So the first part of the small intestine, it is the duodenum, which extends from the pylorus part to, I am drawing the first part. Duodenum has four parts: first part, second part, third part and fourth part. And its position is very important and its relations are also very important. First part, which begin at the pylorus part, will passes upward and backward and laterally to the right of the vertebral column. This is the vertebral column, this is the right side. So it passes upward, backward and laterally to the right of the vertebral column. This is the medial plane. From this median plane about 2.5 centimeter, from this median plane the duodenum starts. Okay, and it reaches the neck of the gallbladder. Here we can see the neck of the gallbladder where it curves downward. Okay, this is the duodenum. Okay, I am going to mark each parts. This is the first part. Okay, this is otherwise called as the superior part, which is about 5 centimeter long. Okay, and after moving this upward, backward and laterally, this part is called superior duodenal flexure. Okay, so this part is called a superior duodenal flexure. After that it will descends downward. So this is the second part. Its length is about 7.5 centimeter. After that the second part terminate at the inferior duodenal flexure. Then the third part starts. Here this is the third part, which is otherwise called as the horizontal part of the duodenum, which is about 10 centimeter long. After that we have this small part, that is the fourth part. This is only about 2.5 centimeter. After this become continuous with the jejunum as the duodenojejunal flexure. So this is the structure of the duodenum. From these measurements we can understand that it is about 25 centimeter long. Duodenum is about 25 centimeter long. Duodenum is actually a retroperitoneal structure, but except a small part, that is the proximal 2.5 centimeter, which is suspended above by the lesser omentum and below by the greater omentum. Otherwise the duodenum is a retroperitoneal structure. Only that portion is suspended by the omental structures. Okay, in the second part, this concavity you can see. In the second part, the head of the pancreas is situated, and the thing is that when we consider the small intestine, the part that is the duodenum, which is lying most deeply compared to other structure. Jejunum and ileum is we can easily accessible, but this duodenum is least accessible to physical examination. So this is the introduction of the duodenum. The last thing is that this first part, which is lying on the transpyloric plane, but this terminal part which is lying just a little below the transpyloric part. Okay, so this is the structure of the duodenum and its location, and its relation will be dealt in the deal in the next video. Okay, thank you.